So we will do example 3 so that we can understand tree diagram better. So a bag contain 5 white marbles and 3 red marbles. Okay, one is thrown at random and not replaced. So ada 5 white marble dan 3 red marbles dalam sebuah bag. So kita akan pilih, kita akan draw lah, kita akan draw from the bag. So dan the first marble yang kita dapat tu kita tak letak semula, and then kita ambil another one. So another draw is made. Okay, by using tree diagram, find the probability of the event if both marbles are red and the marbles are not of the same color. So before we answer the probability question, we do the tree diagram first. So dekat sini kita kena identify lah kita punya event. So W is event white marble is drawn, and R is event that red marble is drawn. Okay, first kita akan start. Okay, on the first draw kita akan dapat sama ada white or red. Yang ni first draw. So the probability of getting a white marble is 5/8. Okay, ada 5 white marbles dan total marbles kita adalah 8. And then the red marbles is 3 out of 8. Okay, so bila kita dah ambil and then kita tak letak semula, okay, on the second draw kita akan dapat sama ada white or red. Okay, so bila kita dah ambil satu white on the first draw, maksudnya dalam bag tu kita dah ambil white, so tinggal lagi 4 white marbles dalam bag tu, and then total dia of course berkurang juga jadi 7. Dan red marble masih sama 3 per dengan 7. So tu kalau kita ambil white on the first draw. Okay, katakan the first draw tu kita dapat red. Okay, so the probability untuk the second draw, okay, white still have 5 out of 7, so dia akan berkurang 1 dalam bag tu, dan red pun akan berkurang 1, iaitu awak akan ada 2 daripada 7 total yang dalam bag tu. Okay, so this is untuk second draw, and then the outcomes is, okay, sama ada kita akan dapat both white ataupun white red, red white dan juga red red. And then we write the probability kat hujung ni. So probability kita akan darab along the branch, maksudnya 5/8 darab 4/7 untuk the first one. So kita akan dapat 5/14. Dan ulang step yang sama, darab along the branch. Untuk second one kita akan darab 5/8 dan juga 3/7. So dapat 15/56 dan seterusnya. Okay, to check whether our branch, our probability is correct or not, so the total kat hujung ni mesti dapat 1. Okay, so this is the tree diagram yang lengkap lah. Okay, next baru kita akan solve the question. Okay, so ni adalah kita punya tree diagram tadi. So sekarang kita akan jawab soalan A. Okay, so both marble are red, maksud awak akan ada probability of R on the first marble and R on the second marble. So kalau kita tengok daripada tree diagram ni, RR adalah kat belakang sekali ni, kat bawah sekali. So our probability is 3/8 times 2/7, which is equal to 3/28. Okay, soalan B. So the marbles are not of the same color. So kalau kita tengok dekat outcomes, so sama ada kita akan ada white red ataupun red white. So PWR, we need to plus with RW. So 15 over 56 plus 15 over 56. And then we can get 15 over 28. Next question. So example 4. Probability Ahmad won a marathon competition is 0.8. So if he won the first competition, the probability won the first competition, the probability he won a subsequent competition is 0.7. Okay, if he lose the competition, the probability he won subsequent competition is 0.6. So subsequent tu maksudnya dia menang yang seterusnya lah. Okay, so kita start buat our tree diagram. Okay, kita let dulu W as event Ahmad won a competition, and L is event Ahmad lose a competition. Okay, kalau kamu tak mau let L pun, awak boleh let W saja, and another one awak akan buat W bar lah ataupun W prime. Okay, so we start. Okay, so for the first competition, so sama ada dia akan win or lose. Okay, so dia dah bagi ayat pertama ni, probability Ahmad won a competition is 0.8. So 0.8 dekat sini. So lose dia adalah 0.2 lah. So the total branch ni mesti 1. Okay, and then for the next competition, sama ada dia akan win ataupun lose juga. So dekat soalan tu dia kata, if he won the first competition, the probability he won a subsequent competition is 0.7. So dia dah menang sekali, dan menang yang seterusnya adalah 0.7. So L adalah 0.3. So kita ambil 1 tolak 0.7, dapatlah branch ni. Okay, dan seterusnya kalau dia lose on the first one, dia sama ada akan win or lose juga. So kita baca balik ayat dia. If he lose the competition, probability he won a subsequent competition is 0.6. So bila dia kalah and dia menang, probability dia menang adalah 0.6. Jadi lose dia adalah 0.4. Okay, 2 for the second competition. And the third one, sama ada dia akan win or lose juga. So dia dah win dekat sini, and then dia win sekali lagi subsequent competition, so dia akan dapat 0.7. Dia punya probability 0.7. So this one 0.3. Okay, on the second one, W, he will win or lose as well. So if he lose, and then the probability he won is 0.6. So 0.6 here. Then 0.4. Okay, next. Tree diagram tak apa cantik ni. So dia win dekat sebelum ni. So untuk dia win, subsequent competition is 0.7. So here should be 0.7. And then lose is 0.3. Okay, and the last branch, WL. So dia lose on the second competition. Okay, probability untuk dia win pula adalah 0.6. So this should be 0.4. Okay, so you can have outcomes. So W. So WWL, and then WLW, and then WLL, and the next one kita ikut dia punya branch lah. So LWL, LLW dan juga LLL. So kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the probability kat hujung ni. Okay, so we multiply along the branch. So the first branch is 0.8 times 0.7 times 0.7. This one. And then you can get 0.392 and do the same for another branch. So you can have 168, 0.144, 0.096, 0.084, 0.036, 0.048 and 0.032. So to check whether your branch is correct, your probability is correct, so we add up the probability, the total will be 1. Okay, so ni probability kita tadi. Kita punya tree diagram. Okay, now kita nak menjawab soalan. Okay, find the probability Ahmad won 3 competition. So maksudnya dia akan ada probability of win, win and win. So kalau kita tengok daripada outcome, so WWW is the first one. So the probability is 0.8 times 0.7 times 0.7. So 0.392. Okay, for the second one, Ahmad won first and third competition. And third so dia mesti dua-dua dia menang. So kita tengok dekat outcomes ni, the first letter ni adalah yang dia menang. Kita akan tengok the first letter yang dia menang lah. So kita tanda warna lain sikit. So dia mesti first and third. Okay, first and third, okay, dia win. The second one tak boleh sebab the third one dia kalah. And then win, win. Yang ni pun tak boleh sebab dia kalah kat ujung. Yang ni pun tak boleh sebab dia kalah awal-awal ni. So yang bawah ni semua tak boleh lah sebab semua dia kalah awal-awal. Jadi kita ada dua possibility kat sini. Pertama dan yang kedua. Okay, so kita akan ada probability of WWW tambah dengan probability WLW. So kita akan dapat 0.392 plus 0.144. And then you can get the answer is 0.536. Okay, so part C. What is the probability that Ahmad lose the first competition? So dia kata lose first saja. So kita tengok dekat bahagian yang awal-awal saja yang dia lose. Okay, the first one dia lose, lose, lose and lose. So dia ada 4 kat sini. Jadi kita akan tambah semua probability tu. So probability of LWW tambah LWL tambah LLW dan juga tambah LLL. Jadi kita masukkanlah dia punya probability. Okay, so the total is 0.2. Okay, next example. So this one is not a tree diagram question. Okay, so 30 mathematics professor. So dekat sini dia trick kita sikit. Dia guna word dan bukannya numbers. 30 mathematics professor. Okay, out of 100 who are examined were found to be overweight. So 10 of them had high blood pressure. Only 4 of the professors who were not overweight had high blood pressure. So dia dah bagi table kat sini, kita cuma perlu lengkapkan. Okay, so 30 mathematics professor out of 100. So this is the total of sample space. So 100 is our total. And 30 mathematics professor who are examined were found to be overweight. So 30 is overweight. So bahagian overweight total is 30. So kita boleh dapat kat sini bahagian not overweight, which is 70. Okay, next, 10 of them had high blood pressure. So yang overweight tadi, 10 of them has high blood pressure. So dekat bahagian sini, so 10. So sini kita akan dapat 20. Okay, next, only 4 of the professors who were not overweight had high blood pressure. So not overweight had high blood pressure. So dekat bahagian sini, only 4. So 4 here. So kita tolak, kita akan dapat 66. Dan yang kat hujung ni kita total, kita tambah lah. So 86. So bila nak buat table, you kena identify yang mana dulu yang you kena isi. Okay, so kita akan menjawab soalan sekarang. Okay, find the probability that a mathematics professor have high blood pressure and overweight. So A is probability of H intercept W. So kalau kita tengok daripada kita punya table, H intercept W is 10. So the probability should be 10 over our total is 100. So 0.1. Okay, soalan B. Probability professor have high blood pressure given that he is overweight. So given maksudnya soalan conditional probability. So probability of high blood pressure given he is overweight. Overweight, oh sorry, dia guna W. So use the formula probability of H intercept W divided by probability of W. So H intercept W is from the first part, 0.1, divided by probability of overweight, which is 30 over 100. So simplify our answer, we can get 1 over 3. And question C, find the probability professor will not have high blood pressure if he is overweight. So given here if. So if ni adalah another keyword yang menunjukkan dia adalah conditional probability. So macam mana kita nak tulis dia? Dia minta probability of professor will not have high blood pressure. So not have means that H bar lah. Given if he is not overweight. Not overweight, W bar. Okay. So we masukkan dalam formula probability of H bar intercept W bar divided by PW bar. Okay, so H bar intercept W bar. So dalam table adalah 66. So 66 over 100 divided by, so W bar is 70 over 100. Okay, then simplify, you akan dapat 33 over 35. Okay, note here. Okay, awak tak boleh tulis dekat sini. So katakan dia kata H bar intercept W bar. So you just write it as 66 and then divided by W bar, which is 70. And then you still can get the same answer. But this is wrong, because 66 is not a probability. It is just a number. So probability should be between 0 and 1. So you need to write it as 66 over 100. Okay, so that's all for this video. So we will continue for the next video. So thank you for listening.